In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Train Sim World 6 on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. Once you have done this, then we will continue to the Steam website and quickly search up this game, but don't worry, we are not going to download it on Steam, we are using another website to save ourselves a lot of money while downloading games. So quickly go to the game Train Sim World 6, after that scroll a little bit down, and then you will find out that this game is currently €49.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and once we are there we will search for the game Train Sim World 6. Select the game and search for it. After that, sort by price lowest first, and then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Then select the game, and after that you will find out that we can already download this game for €16.91 compared to the Steam price of €49.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an activation key for Steam, so you can activate and download this game through Steam, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.